Hello everyone, welcome to the channel IGCSE and GCSE Maths School, which offers you maths lessons for passing your mathematics in a variety of examinations such as Edexcel IGCSE, Cambridge O-Level, GCSE/SAT, CAT, PSAT, NMSQT, and such other examinations. I am Saman. We have done quite a lot of videos in this channel for you, and visit the channel and watch those videos and improve your mathematics, or if you are going to read those examinations. Right now we are going to today's video is on how the quotient varies when the numbers varies. How the quotient varies when the numbers varies. Let's see what is this. There is some terminology, right? We'll see quotient. What is quotient? Quotient. 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 What is quotient? Quotient is the answer you get after dividing one number by another. For example, see, you divide 10 by 5. What is your answer? 2. Then this 2 is called the quotient. This is called what? Quotient. This is the quotient. Quotient, the result that you get after dividing one number by another. Right, okay. That is what the quotient is, right? Then we'll move on to see how the quotient varies when the numbers varies. Right? Quotient varies when the numbers varies. Now you get, say, you get two numbers. Let's say you get two numbers, 20 divided by 4. Then answer is how much? 5. Then when these two numbers varies, this quotient answer varies. Then it is 20 and here it is 4. The quotient is 5. Then this one is called dividend. What is that called? Dividend. This is called dividend. This is called what? Divisor. What is that called? Divisor. Then this is called what? Quotient. That is the terms used in mathematics. This number is called dividend. This number is called divisor. This number is called quotient. Then this can be in a different way also, like let's say by using division sign, this by using the fractional notation. Now this one by using division notation, like this is 20 divided by 4 equals how much? 5. So this again quotient. So this is dividend. This is dividend. This is dividend. This dividend. So this is what? Divisor. What is this called? Divisor. That is divisor. Right. That is quotient. That is quotient. That is quotient. Quotient. Right. That is quotient. Dividend, divisor, quotient. I think now you know what those terms are, right? Okay. Now it is essential to know. It's essential to know the meanings of those things. Not only in this lesson, but in your mathematics that you will come across in your higher studies and when you forward in your education march, right? Okay. Right. Right now we'll see. Okay. Now, now you know what quotient, divisor, and dividend are. Now, when the dividend changes, the quotient changes. When the divisor changes, the quotient changes. So that is actually what happens in mathematics, right? Now, if you take like this, say for example, A equals B over C. A equals B over C. Now this is what? This is the quotient. This is the answer now after dividing this. This is what? Dividend. This is dividend. Dividend. That is dividend. Right. This is dividend. Yeah. This is dividend. A equals B over C, right? Now this is called dividend. dividend. Then this is called divisor. This is called divisor. This is called divisor. This is called quotient. 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 Now see, A is the quotient, B is the dividend, C is the divisor. Then when this dividend changes, A changes. That is, when the dividend changes, quotient changes. When C changes, also quotient changes. Now we are going to study how the changes in dividend and quotient affects the changes in dividend and divisor affects the quotient. That is what we are going to study in this video. How the changes in dividend and divisor affects the quotient, right? Okay. Now, right. Right. For studying that, we take an example like this. Say you take A, B, this equals B over C, right? Now, then A equals, I am going to say how the B changes, how the B changes in B affects the quotient A. Then what I do is, I take, to study the effects of changes of B on A, I take C as a constant. I take C as a constant, right? Okay, C as a constant. Then I keep C as, let's say, one particular value. Let's say it is 5. Okay. I keep C as one particular value 5. Then I change this B, right? Now, okay. Now say A equals B. So let's say B is, let's put for B 10. Then C is 5 itself, answer will be 2. Now I take another A value. Then I take another B value, that is, let's say 20 divided by 5. Then how much? 4. Then I take another A value, 20. That is, I take 30. 30 divided by 5. How much? 30 divided by 6. See, now what has happened? When I continue to increase B 10 by 10, then what happened to the quotient A? It also increased. It increased from 2 to 6 when I increased the B value from 10 to 30. So therefore, what is the conclusion? When B rises, what happened to A also rises? A also rises. When B rises, A also rises. They are the conclusions now. Right, okay. Now we look at what happened to A when B decreases. Right. It can be studied from this itself. We will go from this, like this direction, from bottom up. Then when A is 30, when B is 30, A has become 6. Then again B has been decreased. When you go from top up, B decreases. Then say when originally B is 30, when B is 30, A is 6. Quotient is 6. When again now B is decreased further up to 20, then B is 20, A is how much? 4. Quotient is 4. When B is 10, when further B is decreased to 10, what is the quotient? Quotient is 2. That means when B was decreased from 30 to 10, quotient also decreased from 6 to 2. Therefore, conclusion is when B decreases, quotient A also decreases, right? When B drops, A also drops. A also drops. A also drops, right? Next up. Now we studied the effect of changes of B, effect of changes in B upon and the quotient A, right? Now we look at how the how the effects of changes of C upon A. To study that, A equals B over C. To study that, I take a constant value for B and I change the value of C step by step. Right now here A, I'll take A equals for B I will put 100. Okay. For C first for C I take 10. How much? 10. 100 divided by 10 is 10. Then I take A. Then I take 20. I take value of C 20. I change this value. I'm going to study the effects of changes in C upon A, that is the quotient, and therefore I change the value of C, keeping B constant, right? B has been constant in both cases, 100 and 100, right? Now 20. Now C has increased to 20, then it will be 5. Okay. Now again A equals, now you take another value, 100 divided by 50. Then equals, then now C value is 50. C value has been increased to 50, then it will be 2. Okay. Now what has happened? When C increase, what happened to A? A has decreased. When C increase, A decrease. That is the principle. Then when C rises, A drops. A drops. Right. Now we will see what happened to A, the quotient, when C is decreased. Now C can be decreased in the same 3 cases by considering them from bottom up. Now I consider from bottom up. Then first C value then will be 100. Next first C value will be 50. Next C value will be 20. Next C value will be 10, in the order that the C decreases from 50 to 10. Right. Now see. Now when first C value is 50, quotient has been 2 with the B constant, with the dividend constant. When the second C value is 20, that is C value has decreased 20. The 100, well, this answer quotient has become 5. When the C value is further decreased, the quotient has been 10. Now when quotient is when the divisor is 50, C value is 50, quotient is 2, that is A. When C value is 20, the quotient A is 50. Then when C value is 10, quotient A is 10. That means when C decrease, what has happened to A? A has increased. Then when C decrease, conclusion is when C drops, A, what happens? Rises. So these are the relationships. Okay, now it is important for us to know these relationships because in the next video we are going to find the upper bound and lower bound of a quotient. Upper bound and lower bound of a quotient. To understand the upper bound and lower bound of a quotient, this part of mathematics is absolutely essential. Therefore, as a prelude to that video, this video is given to you. Right? Okay. Now see what has happened is now we studied the effects of changes of dividend and divisor upon the quotient. Then you see this in the example, we wanted to answer 2 questions. What happened to A in this one? A when A rises, then what happened to A when B rises? Then what happened to A when B drops? What happened to A when C rises? What happened to A when C drops? Then we have found the answers. Then when B rises, from these ones we found from these workings here. Then when B rises, A also rises. When B drops, A also drops. When C rises, A drops. When C drops, A rises. So these are the relationships. They are the effects of the divisor and the dividend, effects of the changes in divisor and the dividend upon the quotient. So then these are the questions. That is all about today's video, and this how the quotient varies when the numbers varies. Numbers means this dividend and divisor, right? Then this video is going to be finished. And before ending, I wish you good luck and have a nice time. And tomorrow also I'm uploading a video, and stay with the channel, subscribe, and watch that video, and anticipate the video that I'm going to upload tomorrow. And thank you very much for watching until the end.